girl who lets me shave her head.
Wait. In about 4 minutes, this advertisement is going to disappear, which gives me just enough time to shave her head and give you the opportunity to become a real marketer. My name is Billy Jean, and I'm the wolf of paid advertising. When it comes to paid advertising, on any given month, I spend about $10,000 on podcasts, another $36,000 on billboards, about $100K on Facebook, and another $200K on YouTube. Cheers. And if I'm being completely honest, another $30,000 to $50,000 on this penthouse, company trips, a Bentley, a Corvette, a suite at the San Diego Padres. Why? Well, that's because it's awesome. Now, before you skip this ad, let me ask you a question. Do you hear that? Oh! That's the sound of opportunity knocking. Some entrepreneurs will skip this ad because they're allergic to opportunity. But not you. You're smarter than them.
You know the consequences of not using AI marketing in 2025.
And that's why you're still here listening.
My highly trained AI marketers.
They're called computers. And I'm gonna let you in a little secret about these computers. They're not gonna create advertisements themselves. Without you, they're just worthless hunks of plastic. Like a load of M16 without a trained Marine to pull the trigger. And in the case of the computer, it's up to each and every one of you, my highly trained marketers, my geniuses who will not take no for an answer, my freaking entrepreneurs who will not stop advertising until your clients buy or freaking buy! Let me tell you something. There is no nobility in free traffic. My business has relied on paid traffic, and my business has relied on free traffic, and I use paid every freaking time. Yeah. Because when I need customers, even if I'm in the back of a limo, I can open up my laptop, log into Facebook or YouTube, turn on an advertising campaign, and watch the customers fly in like this $40,000 gold watch. Now, if anyone thinks I'm being superficial or materialistic for using social media and AI, well, go pass out flyers outside of McDonald's, because that's where you belong! But before you click out of this ad and you depart this room full of winners, I want you to take a good look around at the geniuses in this room. Go ahead, I'll give you a moment. Because sometime in the not-so-distant future, your business is going to be in big trouble. And you're gonna be begging to pay one of these geniuses to do your marketing. So you listen to me and you listen good. Are you behind on your bills? Good. Register for my training and start advertising. Does your girlfriend think you're a freaking loser? Good. Register for my training and start advertising. Is your landlord ready to evict you? Good. Register for my training and start using AI. I want you to deal with your problems by becoming a genius.
All you have to do today is register for my training and become an AI marketer.
I want you to ram your advertisements down your customers' throat until they choke on it. Until they freaking choke on it! You'll be relentless! You'll be ferocious! You'll be marketing freaking geniuses! Now let's knock this mother out the park!